A new television system was patented, the transistor was invented, and nuclear power made its debut. It all happened this week in tech history. This week in 1938, Vladimir Zworykin of Wilkinsburg, Pennsylvania, patented the Iconoscope television system. This was the first fully electronic system to replace the older mechanical systems that used spinning discs to capture light from a single very bright spot. In 1947 this week, the transistor was invented. In its original form, the transistor wasn't the tiny silicon component that we know today. It took up a lot of space in the lab in New Jersey where it was invented. Today, thousands of transistors can be packed into an incredibly minute space and used in every electronic application you can think of. This week in 1951, EBR-I, or Experimental Breeder Reactor-I, ushered in a new era in nuclear history when it became the first reactor to generate usable amounts of electricity from nuclear energy. It accomplished this feat by lighting 4 light bulbs at the National Reactor Testing Station of Argonne National Laboratory in Butte County, Idaho. And this week in 1968, the crew of Apollo 8 entered into orbit around the moon, becoming the first humans to do so. They performed 10 lunar orbits and broadcast live TV pictures. That's our look back at This Week in Tech History, brought to you by IFA in Berlin.
IFA, the Global Innovations Show. Meet the official partner of the future in Berlin.
Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas from everyone at Into Tomorrow. Dave wanted me to leave these extra prizes for when you call in and participate on the show. Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas!
Visit us online at intotomorrow.com, where you can find out how to listen to our weekly Into Tomorrow radio program and subscribe to our free podcasts. Catch you next time on This Week in Tech History.